Hello and welcome to this video on the exciting world of wearables and smart devices in healthcare. Today we'll be exploring the various examples, applications and upcoming devices in this rapidly evolving field. Whether you are a healthcare provider, a patient or simply interested in the latest advancements in medical technology, this video is for you. Wearables and smart devices has revolutionized the way we manage our health and well-being. These devices range from fitness trackers, smartwatches and activity monitors to implantable medical devices and telemedicine platforms. They enable us to monitor our health and activity levels in real time, providing valuable insights into our health and well-being. In healthcare, wearables and smart devices are playing an increasingly important role, helping to improve patient outcomes and transforming the way healthcare is delivered. These devices can provide real-time data, enable remote monitoring and management of health conditions, and improve treatment adherence, among many other benefits. Here are a few examples of wearables and smart devices in healthcare. Fitness trackers. Yes, fitness trackers are wearable devices that track a person's activity levels, steps taken, and calorie expenditure. These devices provide real-time data on a person's physical activity, helping to improve their fitness levels and manage their health. Similarly, smartwatches are multifunctional devices that combine the functionality of a watch with that of a fitness tracker and health monitor. These devices can track a person's heart rate, monitor their sleep, and provide real-time data on their physical activity levels. Smart inhalers are also designed to help patients with respiratory conditions such as asthma and COPD to manage their medication. These devices track the patient's usage and provide real-time feedback on their inhaler technique, helping to improve medication adherence and treatment outcomes. Smart contact lenses are equipped with sensors that can monitor glucose levels in real time for patients with diabetes. These lenses have the potential to replace traditional glucose monitoring methods, making diabetes management more convenient and non-invasive. There are also implantable medical devices such as pacemakers and defibrillators. They are becoming more sophisticated and connected. These devices can monitor the patient's health and send real-time data to their healthcare provider, enabling earlier detection of potential health issues. There are sleep monitoring wearables and smart devices which can track a person's sleep patterns and provide real-time data on the quality and duration of their sleep. This information can be used to diagnose and manage sleep disorders such as insomnia and improve sleep quality. These are just a few examples of the numerous wearables and smart devices available in the healthcare market. These devices have the potential to transform healthcare and improve patient outcomes by providing real-time data, improving treatment adherence, and enabling remote monitoring and management of health conditions. Here are a few more applications of wearables and smart devices in healthcare. Wearables and smart devices can also be used to monitor and manage mental health conditions such as depression and anxiety. These devices can track mood and activity levels, provide real-time feedback and support, and enable remote monitoring and management of mental health conditions. Wearables and smart devices can be used to manage chronic conditions such as heart disease and diabetes. These devices can monitor vital signs and provide real-time data on medication usage, helping to improve treatment adherence and prevent complications. Similarly, wearables and smart devices can be used to monitor patients after surgery, providing real-time data on their recovery and enabling remote monitoring and management. This can improve patient outcomes and reduce the need for hospital readmissions. Telemedicine is another novel way of diagnosis and treatment. It is the use of digital technologies to deliver healthcare services remotely. Wearables and smart devices play an important role in telemedicine, providing real-time data and enabling remote monitoring and management of health conditions. This can improve access to healthcare for patients in remote and underserved communities. Wearables and smart devices can also be used in clinical trials, providing real-time data on patient health and enabling remote monitoring and management of trial participants. This can improve the efficiency and accuracy of clinical trials, reducing the time and cost of drug development. The market of wearables and smart devices in healthcare is constantly evolving, and there are many exciting new devices in the pipeline. I'm giving you a few examples of upcoming devices. Non-invasive glucose monitors. Yes, there are a number of non-invasive glucose monitoring devices in development, including smart tattoos, smart contact lenses, and sensors embedded in wearable devices. These devices have the potential to revolutionize diabetes management, making it more convenient and non-invasive. For cardiac monitoring, wearable ECG monitors are the devices that can be worn on the skin to monitor heart function in real time. These devices have the potential to improve the early detection and management of heart conditions, reducing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Smart insoles are wearable devices that can be inserted into shoes to monitor foot health and activity levels. These devices can be used to detect and manage conditions such as diabetic foot ulcers, reducing the risk of amputations. Soon, smart pill dispensers will be available, and these amazing smart pill dispensers are devices that can be programmed to dispense medication at specific times, helping to improve treatment adherence and prevent medication errors. These devices can also send reminders and provide real-time data on medication usage, enabling remote monitoring and management of medication. In conclusion, wearables and smart devices are playing an increasingly important role in healthcare, providing real-time data, enabling remote monitoring and management, and improving patient outcomes. From fitness trackers, smartwatches, and smart inhalers to implantable medical devices and telemedicine platforms, the possibilities are endless. As the market continues to evolve, we can expect to see many more exciting developments in the coming years, further transforming healthcare and improving patient outcomes. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video informative and inspiring. For more information on wearables and smart devices in healthcare, be sure to subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for more videos like this one. I am Dr. Sohail Ahmad, signing off for now.